They say money cannot buy skill. That is true. But in 2026, money can buy you an unfair advantage. We are living in the golden age of the rifle. Titanium actions, carbon fiber barrels, and straight-pull systems that defy physics. But here's the question. Is the soul of hunting lost in all this technology? To find out, we're going to start at the mountaintop. I'm showing you the Rank 1 King immediately. No teasers, no games, just raw engineering excellence. Let us send it. Number 1. The Walther RS3 Heritage Sevenstar. Let us be real, this is not a rifle you buy, this is a rifle you inherit. Walther decided to stop playing games and built the ultimate straight-pull system. While other companies are obsessed with plastic, Walther went back to the old world. We're talking grade 7 Caucasian walnut that looks deeper than the ocean. Here's the mechanic's insight. The engineering focus here is on harmonic integration. The barrel and the included silencer are designed as one unit to eliminate the point of impact shift that plagues other suppressed rifles. You get the silence without the penalty. The straight pull action doesn't just cycle, it glides on rails like it's hydraulic. The deal breaker? It's too pretty. Honestly, are you really going to drag a museum piece through the mud? This is for the collector who demands the best, even if he never pulls the trigger. Dropping down to number 2, we have the Weatherby Mark V Backcountry Capra. If the Walther is art, this is pure science. Weatherby looked at the periodic table and chose violence against gravity. This is the lightest production bolt gun on the planet, weighing in at a ghost-like 4 pounds. The secret sauce here is the titanium receiver paired with a double helix fluted barrel. They shaved steel away in a spiral pattern that looks insane, but adds structural stiffness while cutting weight. It allows you to hike further and harder than anyone else on the mountain. But be warned, physics still applies. When you fire a magnum round from a gun that weighs less than a laptop, the recoil is sharp, it is snappy, it will wake you up. This is a specialist tool for the alpine hunter who counts every single ounce. At number 3, we have the Browning X-Bolt 2 left hand. Finally, a company that respects the 10%. For years, left-handed shooters had to adapt to right-handed tools. Browning fixed that. This is a mirror image precision machine built specifically for the Southpaw shooter. The technical win here is the Veritech stock system. It is fully adjustable for length of pull and comb height, but the real magic is the 60-degree bolt lift. It keeps your knuckles clear of the scope, allowing for rapid follow-up shots without breaking your grip. The downside? The magazine. It is a rotary polymer design that feels a bit hollow. It works perfectly, but it lacks the tactile authority of a steel mag. But for a lefty, having a dedicated platform is worth that small trade-off. Moving to number 4, the Beretta BRX1 Ranch. This is where we leave the luxury tier and enter the speed tier. Beretta took their straight-pull technology and shrunk it down into a fighting weight package. This is the Ranch Edition, meaning it is short, handy, and practically indestructible. It features a linear reloading system with an 8-lug rotating head. It is fast, stupid fast. You can empty a magazine and stay on target effortlessly. It is designed for the guy who needs to patrol a fence line and neutralize multiple targets in seconds. The deal breaker is the safety. It is located on the bolt shroud and it is stiff. It takes intentional force to disengage. It is safe, yes, but it takes some muscle memory to master under stress. At number 5, we have the Henry SPD Predator. This is the rebel of the group. Henry took the lever action, a design from the 1800s, and dragged it into the 21st century. It looks like a cowboy gun that joined the Space Force. The mechanic's insight is the free-floated barrel within a carbon fiber handguard. This is rare for a lever gun. It prevents the barrel from warping when it gets hot, keeping your shots true even after a rapid string of fire. Plus, it takes detachable box magazines. The problem? It feels confused. You have the manual action of a lever gun mixed with the aesthetics of a modern sporting rifle. Traditionalists hate it, but if you need to drop coyotes fast and look cool doing it, this is your rig. Stepping down to number 6, the Savage 110 Trailblazer. Now we are in the territory of the working man. Savage does not care about looks, they care about holes on paper. The Trailblazer is ugly, rugged, and incredibly accurate. It uses the famous floating bolt head design. This allows the bolt to self-center in the chamber, compensating for any minor imperfections. That is why a sub-$1,000 Savage will often outshoot a custom rig. It is coated in Cerakote to survive the rain, snow, and mud. The annoyance? The action feels sloppy. When the bolt is open, it wobbles around like a loose tooth. It is not tight, it is not smooth, but it locks up like a bank vault when it matters. And finally, at number 7, the Franchi Mule. We end with the ultimate utility tool. They call it the Mule because it is a beast of burden. You throw this behind the seat of your truck and forget about it until you need it. The standout feature here is the integrated flip-up iron sights. In an era where everyone relies on batteries and glass, Franchi gave you a mechanical backup. If your scope breaks, you flip these up and you are still in the fight. It is rough around the edges. The synthetic stock feels hollow and cheap, but for the price, it is the best insurance policy you can buy. It is not here to win beauty contests. It is here to work. So there you have it. We went from the multi-$1,000 German masterpiece down to the truck gun that lives in the dirt. Top to bottom, this is the lineup that defines 2026. Whether you have money to burn or a job to do, there is a tool here for you. Train hard, stay safe, and I will see you downrange.